The night sky in May is packed with exciting sights. You'll see the crescent moon meets 3 planets. Early in the month on 3 to May 5th, the crescent moon meets 3 planets, Mars, Saturn and Mercury. If you're fine with rising early, a celestial treat will be visible in the southeastern skies an hour before dawn for 3 mornings in a row. Early in the month, Mars and Saturn appear about 15 degrees apart. Before dawn on May 4th, a waning crescent moon appears between Saturn and Mars. The 2 planets appear to gradually move apart from each other as the mornings pass. By the end of the month, Saturn and Mars appear more than 30 degrees apart. The last morning of the month, Saturn appears very close to a waning crescent moon. Mercury returns to the morning sky and stands less than 5 degrees from a very thin waning crescent moon early on May 6th. On May 3rd, a 28% illuminated waning crescent moon will shine to the right of Saturn and Mars. On May 4th, it will be 18% illuminated and between Saturn and Mars. On May 5th or 6th, it will be a mere 10% illuminated and closer to the horizon between Mars and dim Mercury, which will rise just before sunrise. How to see planets in the night sky? The first thing you need to do is find the ecliptic, the imaginary line that marks the path the sun takes across the sky. Since all of the solar system's major planets orbit the sun in roughly the same plane, the ecliptic also marks the path of the planets. You'll always find all of the planets near that line. Keep an eye on the moon, too. Its orbit around Earth tilts by about 5 degrees compared to the ecliptic. That means the ecliptic is always within 5 degrees of the moon. If you think you have found a planet, but you're really not sure, keep an eye on it for a few nights. From night to night, you'll see them in a different position, but the stars themselves will stay fixed to each other. If you do use binoculars or a telescope to observe the trio of planets alongside the moon, make sure to take precautions to never look in the direction of the rising sun, through an optical aid or with the naked eye.